Have you ever wondered if you can pass a method to an annotation in Java 8? It sounds tricky, but it's actually possible. Today, we're diving into this intriguing topic and showing you how to do it. I totally get it. Many developers have faced this question, and it can be quite confusing. You're not alone in wanting to enhance your code with annotations and methods. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, is it possible to pass a method to an annotation? This is a great question that opens up a lot of possibilities in Java programming. Let's explore this together. So, what does it mean to pass a method to an annotation? In Java 8, you can use method references in annotations, which allows for more dynamic and flexible code. This can be a game changer in how you structure your applications. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you leverage annotations even more effectively in your projects. To pass a method to an annotation in Java 8, the user first needs to define the annotation. This involves using the add_interface keyword followed by the annotation name. Next, the user should create a method that they want to pass to the annotation. This method can be defined in any class. Now the user can apply the annotation to a variable or method. They should specify the method reference using the double-colon syntax. Finally, the user can retrieve the annotation and its method reference at runtime using reflection. This allows them to invoke the method dynamically. Fun fact, annotations in Java are a bit like stickers on your code. They provide extra information without changing the actual content. Who knew coding could be so fun? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that according to the Java language specification, annotation attributes can only accept specific types, like byte, char, and string. They explain that method references must be assigned to a functional interface, which means you cannot directly pass a method reference to an annotation. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always document your annotations clearly. This will help others understand how to use them effectively in their code. And there you have it. You can now pass methods to annotations in Java 8. Remember, clear documentation is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.